Ladies, gentlemen, and non-binary folks, we have ourselves another SCRAWLRBOX. Let's find out what's inside. This one is not closed very well. I don't know if that was out of necessity or just a mispackaging. But it's just... Oh, it's hard to pull because it's on the corner. It looks like we have some sort of watercolor by the texture on here. Alright. Aquarelle, so I was right. Cold pressed, not grain fin. Okay, whatever that means. Aquarelle. And the artwork. Beautifully loose landscape. Very watery and messy. It's neat though. Ooh, it's actually horizontal and horizontal on both sides. I'm an artist living in the north of Germany as an optician, working in the field of visual merchandising, composition, shapes, and expression through colors, an important topic in my daily life. Claudia Drexhedge. I develop my techniques necessary to effectively communicate my impressions. Feeling a deep connection with nature, watercolor allows me to reflect my emotions as well as to express the poetic impression, rich, wild, silent beauty of the visible and invisible landscapes. Okay. Oh, it's a neutral graph hint paint set. A unique blend with graphite paint and color for dramatic tonal work. Okay, so this is really funny. You remember the graphite tubes of paint that we got in the past? I literally just gave them to a friend because it fit her art style more, and then I get more of them. So we'll have to play with these, because this is a whole set, and this is like a nice set. So I wonder if I'm going to keep these, or if I will also give these to her. It is Christmas time. I'll keep the box. Let's find out. We got these, and we got Midnight Black Aquarelle. I think I've gotten this one before. And a nugget. What is a Minthisk? Is it mint? It's hard. I have no idea what you are. Oh, let's look at this. Open. Oh. Very similar to the other Derwent I have. Feels a little chunkier. Oh, that's funny. The plastic goes like that. Okay. It is graphite-y. I'm glad they give us this, because these do not look like this. It's like my Inkten set. We've got a sponge for water and a Derwent watercolor brush. Okay. November. It may be harder to travel to some of the world's greatest landscapes at the moment, but the very landscape tells you its own story. Take in the various vistas around you. Look at them in a new, introspective way. Liquid landscape. I don't know about this box. We can look at the magazine. Look at the magazine. Oh, it's a mint with a soft fondant center. I didn't see my sticker. Oh, there it is. Watercolory, texture. Information about the artist. Techniques and tools. stuff from the last box. Ooh, that stippling looks cool. And those are terrifying cool. And information about landscapes. Okay. So I'm gonna paint a landscape. I might not use this brush because I might be giving this to somebody. And I don't want to use their brush, but I've got plenty of other brushes. I also might not use the sponge. This is kind of neat though. So like grungy. I kind of want to take one of these out and try and draw with it. That would be weird. Okay, let's do some. So this was interesting. I went on Google Maps and I looked around and I looked at lots of random places until I found some that I thought I wanted to paint, and I wound up sticking with a place in Iceland, I believe. And these mountains are really cool. They're like all rocky and sharp at the top, and then there's just this like gentle slope of like fallen gravel is what it almost looks like down. And there is this road, ocean on one side, mountains, and these little red roofed houses, and I thought it was so cute. So I decided to choose this one. Using the paints, I really need to practice with my watercolor on adding high contrast, because every time I do one, and I'm so nervous about putting down colors that are too dark, so everything winds out really soft and washed out, and in the end this did kind of look like that too. But it's done. I'm happy with it. The colors are very, very desaturated, but I think that kind of comes with the graphite style paint. At this point that I'm recording this audio, I have packaged up and gifted my friend with the paints, and she was very appreciative and very, very touched, and I'm so excited to see what she comes out with it, because she's a lot better at landscapey, formal, traditional art than I am. I'm probably better at painting dinosaurs than she is, but you're welcome, Matilda. I hope you enjoy that. Anyway, these paints worked like many other watercolors. It was just the low saturation. That was an interesting one. And really layering them. Obviously, I'm even putting stuff down super light. I was so worried about making things too dark and gloomy and intense. It's something I need to work on. I admit that as an artist. There's things I'm not great at. But things I do like about this piece is the cute little red roofed houses. They're just full white little barns, little red roofs in the distance, and so cute. The materials to work with, I mean, they were just more, you know, of that kind of brand of watercolor. It's these little hard-packed cubes. They're not jelly like mine. I use Van Gogh watercolors normally. So they're really, really intense little blocks. I think I've got an Inktense set of watercolors that I got from the same company. And those, of course, are much more intense colors, where these were more, you know, dull. And dull's a bad word. Desaturated. They're pretty colors. Like, they really are. It was nice to sit down and do a watercolor. And, yeah. I don't have a lot to say this week, guys. I'm sorry. It was the last week of school, and it was a struggle to even get this video completed with everything going on, and I'm just so ready for Christmas break, and I'm actually probably going to be taking a little break from YouTube, just for a couple weeks, just, you know, for the vacation. I might still do a Christmas video, because I really like having those, but I think I want to work on something else, and what I'm thinking I'm going to work on is I think I want to try to put together a class of drawing stuff, because I'm a teacher, and I do that. But I digress. It's the end of the painting. It's the end of the video. I'm sorry I got way off topic here, but it's a lovely little landscape. It's got a little bit of texture. It's not great. I'm happy with it though. It's pretty. The paper was really nice though. I really liked the paper in this box, and the pencil was really, really nice too. Anyway, I hope you have a wonderful time and a wonderful couple weeks, and hopefully I'll see you after a little bit of a break. Thank you to my patrons, Jamie, Hans, Cindy, Mom, Dad, and Kaze. And thank you everyone for being so cool and supportive, and I love you. Alright, we'll talk to everyone later. Bye.